You probably think your nighttime routine is already healthy, maybe a warm glass of milk or a soothing cup of chamomile tea. But what if I told you there's one tiny, overlooked food that could silently transform your body while you sleep? Meet chia seeds, those tiny black and white seeds you've seen in health stores, smoothies, and fitness blogs. But here's the secret: when consumed at night, chia seeds unlock a range of benefits that most people have never even heard of. From improving digestion and sleep, to balancing your blood sugar and boosting brain power, this humble superfood might be the best nighttime ritual you've been missing. Stick around until the very end, because benefit number 7 addresses one of the most frustrating issues almost everyone deals with, but hardly anyone connects to nutrition. Benefit number 1: promotes deep, restful sleep. Let's start with sleep. Many people struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night. That's where chia seeds shine. They're rich in an amino acid called tryptophan, which helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, the two critical hormones that regulate sleep cycles and mood. So when you consume chia seeds before bedtime, you're essentially helping your brain and nervous system wind down naturally without medication. Unlike sleeping pills, which can become addictive or leave you feeling groggy, chia seeds work with your body to support deeper, more restorative sleep. Quick tip: mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup of warm almond milk. Add cinnamon or a drop of honey. Drink this 30 to 60 minutes before bed for a calming, natural nightcap. Benefit number 2: reduces nighttime cravings and overeating. Ever finish dinner only to find yourself sneaking into the kitchen an hour later? That's not just poor discipline. It's often your blood sugar and hunger hormones sending mixed signals. Chia seeds have a unique ability to expand up to 10 to 12 times their size when soaked. This means they take up more space in your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied. Plus, they're loaded with soluble fiber, which slows digestion and keeps blood sugar stable. That means fewer late-night cravings and less emotional or stress eating. This is especially helpful if you're trying to lose weight, manage diabetes, or simply avoid snacking before bed. Try this. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water or milk for 30 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey for flavor. Benefit number 3: boosts digestion and prevents constipation. Let's talk about something we all deal with but no one likes to talk about: digestion. Chia seeds contain a powerful combination of soluble and insoluble fiber. When soaked and consumed, they form a gel-like consistency that moves gently through your intestines. This acts almost like a natural cleanser, helping to remove waste, ease bowel movements, and reduce bloating or constipation. If you eat them at night, chia seeds work their magic while you sleep, preparing your digestive system for a clean, refreshed morning. Pro tip: never eat dry chia seeds. They expand after contact with liquid, which can be dangerous if consumed dry. Always soak them first. Benefit number 4: balances blood sugar while you sleep. Your blood sugar continues to fluctuate even while you sleep. For many people, especially those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, this can cause nighttime spikes or crashes. Chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels naturally. Their combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber slows the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream, keeping energy levels steady overnight. This is important not just for diabetics, but also for anyone who experiences morning fatigue, brain fog, or sugar cravings the next day. Real talk: if you have a medical condition, always check with your doctor. But many people report better morning energy just by adding chia seeds to their nighttime routine. Benefit number 5: supports heart health overnight. Your heart never stops working even while you're asleep. But sleep is the body's best time to repair and heal. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which has been shown to reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve circulation. By consuming chia seeds regularly at night, you're helping your cardiovascular system detox, restore, and strengthen during its most natural repair cycle, sleep. Bonus: if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, chia seeds are a great, cruelty-free source of heart-friendly fats. Benefit number 6: strengthens bones and joints. Feeling joint pain, stiffness, weak bones? Chia seeds are packed with bone-building minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and protein. Surprisingly, just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more calcium than a glass of milk without the lactose or added hormones. Taken at night, these minerals can be better absorbed while the body is in rest and recovery mode, making chia seeds a natural way to support bone density, flexibility, and strength. Great for women over 40, children during growth spurts, or anyone with arthritis or joint stiffness. Benefit number 7. Improves brain function and mental clarity. Your brain resets and regenerates at night. But to do that effectively, it needs proper nourishment. Chia seeds offer a brain-boosting combination of omega-3s, antioxidants, and amino acids that support brain cell regeneration, memory, and focus. People who consume chia seeds before bed often report waking up more alert, more focused, and better able to concentrate the next day. Mental boost. Ideal for students, professionals, or anyone looking to sharpen mental clarity and reduce that dreaded morning fog. How to use chia seeds at night. Wondering how to get started? Here are 3 super easy chia seed bedtime options you can try tonight. Chia milk drink. Mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds in warm almond milk with cinnamon and a pinch of turmeric. Chia detox water. Soak 1 tablespoon chia seeds in warm water. Add lemon or ginger for detox benefits. Overnight chia pudding. Combine 2 tablespoons chia seeds with coconut milk and honey. Let sit in the fridge overnight. Add fruit in the morning for flavor. Tip: always soak chia seeds for at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating. And there you have it, 7 powerful benefits of eating chia seeds at night. From better sleep and digestion to brain power and heart health, it's truly amazing what these little seeds can do while you rest. If you learned something new, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs this info. Got questions or a favorite chia recipe? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, good health doesn't happen overnight, but it can start there.